Okay, I have a diamond painting haul. This is by GBFKe. So we've got a little bit of more advanced kit in here. We've got the pen with a gripper, we've got a tweezer, we've got extra wax, and the tray. We've got all of our drills. Now these are, looks like square drills, okay? Square drills. And then this is number ZQF 1019. I believe this is a fairly large diamond painting. Let me open this up. Okay, and we can see it's daisies with a lake in the background. And let me try to open this. Let's see, there's tape on this. I don't know where it starts from though. Okay, hang on one little second. This is one of those that it's not going to, I'm not going to pull this whole thing off because it's not clear and I don't want to ruin it. I'll just show you a little corner of it and then I'll show you the picture on here. Hold on. Which is that picture right there. Okay, I just don't want to ruin it. And then, you know, ruin the tackiness of it by pulling that all the way off and maybe not getting it on right. Okay, so that's one. Now, let's see what else we have. Okay, so we have this one here, and this is smaller one, B777, and it says, hold on, I'm trying to, we're all mad here. Oh, that's right. Okay, I did order this, and this is like an Alice in Wonderland, and this I believe is a square drill as well. We're all, yes, I definitely did. Okay, and no, it's a round drill. It's a round drill. There's that, and there's our kit with this one. Okay. Okay, and this one says, make sure you can see that. Okay. So look up to the sky until I talk to you. What I would give to hear you talk back. And it's got dragonflies. And that is a round drill. So that's really nice. I like that one a lot. I think I might start on that one. I might leave that one out. I haven't done for a long time. I might go to work on that one. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna try this on because I'm probably gonna start working on that one. This one was another Snoopy and Charlie Brown. It says, "I love you to the moon and back." And how cute is that? And that is another round drill. And it comes with the standard pen and wax kit that I just got on there. Okay. Okay, and then we have the last but not least. Let's see what this is. So again, this is GBFKe. Ouch. Well, let me give you the number of that Shirley Brown. That is B458. B458. Alrighty, now. And this is, it says, bless this home. It's kind of a country design. I like this one a lot too. I really like all these things. And there's the drills and the kit, and that's the kit that came in the other one. And that is GBFKe. And you can check them out. I hope that you do. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks guys. Have a nice day. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.